Today, I'm going to show you how to use the online presentation tool called Nearpod. Here's a home screen that comes up when you type in nearpod.com. On the home screen, you can see that there are two account options one can choose from. There is an account for teachers as well as an account for schools and districts. As a teacher, you would have your students come to Nearpod's homepage and give them the code to enter into one of the two locations given on the screen to access your lessons. There is an enter code here for your students as well as down here. There are other features on the homepage that I would like to point out. The tab for schools and districts allows schools and districts to get Nearpod licenses to allow the whole school or every school in the district to have access to use. The Schedule a Demo tab allows you to do just that in order to get a feel of the website and see if it is something you would like to use in your classroom. The Sign In button allows you to access Nearpod, as you do need an account to use. However, the account is free of charge and you can link it to your Google and Office 365 accounts. If you would like to upgrade your account, it does come with a small fee. To the far right of the home screen is a menu bar that opens up to allow users to find out more information about Nearpod and the services it provides. The tab that I'm going to investigate with you and show you how it works is the Explore Lessons tab. This is the screen that pops up when you click on Explore Lessons. Here you can find lessons created by subject, new lessons by publisher, by Nearpod, feature lessons, and top free and paid lessons. The one lesson type I did not mention is the virtual reality lesson. We will explore the virtual reality free lessons now. As you can see, different free lessons come up for different subjects and grades. Let's take a look at Explore the Oceans. Once you click on the lesson, an information tab shows to tell you what is in the lesson in a few short sentences. As a teacher, you have the ability to add this lesson to your library for later use with the Add to My Library button. Now let's preview this lesson. Virtual realities take students to the place that they are talking about to engage them in the lesson, and that is what the 360 view of the ocean is doing here. As with any lesson, this lesson starts out with the learning objectives clearly listed. Now for the rest of the lesson, it gives students information and then asks them to answer questions along the way to once again engage the students in their learning. I'm going through the lesson. You can see how there's content continued to be given to the students, and then they are asked to share ideas or answer questions to further their learning and thinking on the topic. Nearpod lessons can also include videos like this one does, and you can also include websites to visit with your students. At the end of lessons, there are some quiz questions to reflect on what the student should have learned. I do also want to point out the share button that allows you to share the lesson to others in a variety of ways. You can email it to them, share it on social media, create a link, embed it, send it via the Remind text messages, and send via any of these email accounts. The related content feature to the right allows you to look at other lessons related to the one you just gave. Let's take a look at the filters button located in the middle of the page. Under Common Core Only tab, lessons in ELA, which stands for English Language Arts, and Math can be found that cover Common Core standards. Under All Lessons tab, lessons can be found for any grade, subject, and either free or paid. Lessons on Nearpod also come in different resource types. We took a look at virtual realities, but there are also lessons for assessment, skill builders, and professional development. The full lessons feature allows for more content to be presented, which requires more note-taking by the students. The lesson type that I seem to like the most is the warm-ups. Here in these lessons, students are introduced to the topic and in pairs or individually are given activities and questions that get their mind turning in the right direction to geared up for the lesson that follows. This video is just a quick snapshot look at what Nearpod can do. This is definitely an online presentation tool that I will use as I become a teacher, and there's nothing about it that I do not like so far. Maybe it is one you can explore and use as well. Thank you.